Our mission statement as a company is to deliver the best driving, the safest vintage Bronco in the world. We've been called by Top Gear UK the Singer design of Broncos.
I would say that there is no better restored Bronco in the market. They're good people, they make a great product, and they stand behind it.
It's a feeling you just can't explain. There's a joy to having a Gateway Bronco.